Imagine this for a second. Let's say you do not have any knowledge about manifestation, but you have heard about it. And then one day you saw a video on YouTube that gives you the steps to manifest anything in just one day. You are motivated now. You follow all the steps, and the next day you see nothing. It's all the same. Nothing happened. Now, what do? You lose faith in the whole concept, isn't it? That this manifestation thing is all wrong. Or worse, you may keep thinking that there is something that you didn't do right. It's your fault. The guy in the video manifested in just one day, but you can't. It's your fault. I have seen many people lose hope completely. In this video, I want to tell you just one basic thing, and if you understand that, then you will never fall into that dark space. We are working on a course on mindfulness and meditation. If you are interested, please fill your details in the form given in the description and we will inform you once it's ready. There are 3 steps to manifestation. Number 1 is to first decide what you want to manifest. Have a very clear vision in your head on what is the end state. Say you want to manifest a job. Then try to decide what does it look like? What kind of job do you want? What company? Location? How are the people there? How is the salary? Working hours? What kind of work you are doing? And so on. This next step is important. You have to be in a state as if your desire is already fulfilled. Basically, you have to feel as if you have already achieved it. You are already in that job, and there are 1,000 techniques to do that. Be it journaling, positive affirmations, 369 method, vision boards, and so on. All these techniques are helpful. Choose whatever works for you or just feels right. The important thing is to actually be in that feeling that you are already in your desired state. And all these techniques are there just to help us get that feeling or belief. Let's continue that job manifestation example. You visualize, you say the affirmations, or you write a journal, or you do a combination of these techniques just to practice being in that state. So you say and visualize things like, I am so happy in this new job at XYZ company. You can say the name of the company. Everyone respects me. I am performing really well. The work-life balance is also great. I am feeling so good. Every morning, I am motivated to get up and do my best. My superiors appreciate my work, and so on. The point is to get that feeling, the feeling of already living that reality. The last part is to practice this as often as possible so that we can keep ourselves in that elevated state of being. And once we are able to really feel it and not just say it for the sake of it, then we will have the right vibrations, the right energy, and our desires will manifest, and in ways we can't possibly imagine. And one very important point is that each one of us is different. Each one of us lives under different circumstances. Each one of us has our own habits, beliefs, and nature. Point is that if you can manifest anything in one day, then it may not happen for me in the same time. It depends on so many factors. The point is to not chase after a fixed timeline just because it happened for someone in just one day. Point is to focus on the process, on being in that state, in that feeling of having achieved the desire, so that our vibrations are right, and then the manifestation will present itself. Also, as you practice this more and more, you become better at being able to bring yourself to the desired state faster, which helps you to manifest fast. But if you can gather only one thing from this video, then I would say that do not criticize yourself for not manifesting fast enough, especially when you are getting started. Just trust in the process and practice being in that state of mind as much as you can. That is the only thing we can control. Next, you can watch this video where we talk about this one magical word to manifest anything. Thanks a lot for watching, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body and soul.